Good morning, YouTube family. Today is Saturday, December 10th, and it's gonna be a super busy day. Right now I am getting ready to head to my laser appointment, so I'm gonna take you with me to do that. The last time I've done laser, well, the last time you guys see me do laser, I was only doing like face and neck. So now I have underarms and legs added on. So I'm going to take you with me to do that. And then there's going to be lots of cleaning happening. And today's the day that we're going to put up the tree finally, because if I don't put it up this weekend, it's just like, bruh. The house hasn't been feeling very Christmassy. So those are pretty much like the simplistics of what we're gonna do today. So once I get in the car, or once I get to the laser appointment, I'll turn this camera back on. But I wanted to just stop in, give my quick intro, my quick rundown, and then yeah, we're gonna head out soon. So I will see you in a bit. Ooh. We have arrived. Let's see. It's there. We're here. Oh my gosh. Why does my camera always seem like it wants to be real close? There we go. I'm actually early. Well, last time they let me record, so I don't know. My wife here be like, you can't record today. Like, bruh.
Last time I was here?
Yeah, because I definitely asked them. And they were like, yeah, that's fine. Probably inside. That's freaking nuts. Alright, let's roll in here. That would be super hilarious though. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Your name?
Chey Charvis.
Alright, perfect. Do you need the bathroom at all before your treatment?
Yes.
Okay, do you know where it is?
Yes.
All the way at the end of the hall? Perfect. Back here? You're just hanging out, you're waiting. I'm gonna get right between your brows here. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Is it typical to see like hair in places that didn't grow before that started growing out now?
So, not necessarily like from the laser. However, it is common that people will notice little like soft hair that they maybe didn't notice before, now that the thicker hair is not there.
Sorry, tell me your name again.
My name is Stacy. Yeah. Here visiting from Wisconsin, just to laser everyone.
I love it. It's like this, I don't feel.
Yeah, some spots are definitely worse than others, right?
Yeah. I think it was, yeah, usually like around the lip areas, like you see where I get jumpy. But it hasn't been so bad. I was like, I don't know. I thought my legs, I thought I was really gonna have like, be like, oh my gosh. And I laughed through the whole thing last time. I was like, what the heck?
Good.
The lady that was here last time, she was like, are you okay? And I was like, it tickled. She was like, what? I'm like, I don't know.
I have had somebody laugh through their entire treatment before. It's just like her response is just to giggle. So you're not alone.
Okay, I was. Oh my gosh. Oh God. I don't know what. Like, oh God, I need help.
What's happening?
Like, there's no reason why this tickles, but it does. Ooh.
Yeah. I mean, so some people, depending on skin tone and hair color, lower legs can be awful for some people.
Really?
So I'd much rather have you giggle like this.
Yeah. like, oh my. Ooh. Hey y'all. It's 7 o'clock in the evening and I've done so many things that I have not shown you. Like went to the Olive Garden and to Walmart and drove back home from my appointment, which is over an hour away. Then went to Walmart again, but the one closer to home. Went to Popeyes. And I didn't record any of that because I was just like, oh, I'll record once I get home because I want you guys to have the whole experience of the things that I was talking about, like cleaning and putting up the tree. And here it is, 7 p.m. and I'm freaking exhausted and I don't want to do anything. And it sucks because tomorrow's Sunday and I'm gonna have to do all these things tomorrow. I'm so frustrated with my own self because I hate doing this, and I specifically put my camera down today because I was just like, I wanted to make sure that I caught content as planned basically, and I didn't want to just put like little store clips in here and there just to like fill in time. Like I wanted it to be an actual like eventful thing, and I'm super tired. So I guess the plan is going to be for me to take a nap, and whatever time I wake up from that nap, I'll at least give you some cleaning video because I'm like really tired. So I'm kind of frustrated because I'm tired, because I want to film and I'm too tired to. So this is where I am, and I just wanted to check in about that. So I'm gonna take a nap and try not to be annoyed with myself. Alright guys, so I have officially woken up and I did more than just nap. I went to sleep. It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning, but if I don't start cleaning and stuff now, I'm gonna have a really hard day tomorrow. I'm gonna have a hard day today. So let's start cleaning. I think the rest of this is just gonna be a cleaning vlog, so that way you guys can just watch me. I will edit this, put music over it, type stuff. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the cleaning vlog. So many things to do. So I want to say right now, thank you guys again so much for tuning in to my vlog for the day. I'm sorry it wasn't what I wanted it to be and what I told you it was gonna be, but that's life. So yes, thanks again for watching, and up next is some cleaning and relaxation for you. Okay, see you in the next one.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside.
So I legit cleaned the kitchen and then I gave up. There's so much to do and I'm starting to get really annoyed with myself and my house. And I know I need to clean, but also there's so much to freaking do. And I'm just one person. I have to be up in a couple of hours, like actually like actively up in a couple hours because we're going to an event. So I'm taking a break so I can actually enjoy the event and not be yawning through the whole thing. So I know I like closed out prior, but this is my official closeout. I did what I could. I'm just really exhausted and just been going through a lot. So yeah, that's all for today. Sorry it's boring. Sorry it's depressing. Whatever this may look like. But this is my life. I'll see you in the next video.